try it for you guys.
This is good. Creamy. So good. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Una good evening, una good afternoon, depends on where una they watch me from. Welcome to my channel. My name is Dora, alias Share with Love TV. For this video, I'll unbox the new pot where my husband buy for me for Valentine's Day. Finally, I don't open the pot. I want to use the pot to cook pasta and Alfredo sauce. There I can't say okay, me I just unbox and me I show am to una. Okay, you don't tell where this pot did there since, so I not going to use and say the first day where I'll use this pot I must video run. Okay, after how many months now I finally decide say I want use the pot to cook. Now I don't open the pot. Now I dey show now the pot, see the red color, see how the color they shine. Thank you, Oga, for this pot. I really appreciate this pot. And when I dey use this pot to dey cook, my belly dey sweet. My belly dey sweet me, It sweet me die. I was so grateful. I was so happy. It just surprised me. He bring pot for me for Valentine's. Then I say, Oga, you do well. Thank you. And I say, okay, today now, after many months now, I want finally use the pot to cook. Okay, I just the unbox. I just the show am to una. Okay, now it's time to wash the pot. I'll make sure say I wash the pot before I use and take cook. Even though say a new pot, you have to wash the pot before you use and take cook. Now I can't put soap. Now I can't use it. I begin to use my sponge. Take the scrub the pot. Now I can't scrub and make sure say all the smell, the factory smell come out for inside. Now I can't carry the cover too. I put soap. I can't wash and wash. I re-wash and make sure I say I wash and make it clean well. I can't the scrubber. At this point, I want to thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate una love, una support. The way una take support me for this channel. Now God go bless you. Now even for Facebook, una Facebook now too much. Una do well. Thank you so much. Anytime I drop a video, now they always they watch Facebook. Thank you so much, my Facebook family. And also, I also appreciate my YouTube family. Also, thank you for the love and the support. Now, I don't watch the pot. Now, I can't erase the pot. As you can see, I can't erase the pot. I make sure all the soap come out because you don't want to use the pot where get soap take cook. I can't erase and make sure say I wash and where I can't erase and where I can't erase and where I can't erase and the thing can't they shine. See I see they shine, Oh, now I can't carry and go stove go fire. I can say okay, say our body they shock me for this new pot. I go emi ogbon ogbo titi. In my language say emi ogbon ogbo titi. Now I can begin to dance so. Get this song will just enter my head from nowhere. I just can't sing it. Sepano no. Okay, now I can carry my coconut oil. Now I want to cook this Alfredo sauce. Okay, I can't use coconut oil. Okay, I can't put them for inside the pot. Okay, I can't allow the coconut oil dissolve. Now shrimp and
I've already seasoned my food,
chicken and fish. Now I want to cook this food. Okay, I say I can't tell. I say the shrimp I'd already seasoned before I can't the fry here. Okay, keep watching, guys. Mona they watch. Then make sure say I like the video. Mona share the video.
My water is boiling. I want to cook pasta. We're making Alfredo pasta. Water is boiling. Okay. And I have my onions. I've already cut my onions and one red bell pepper. Okay. just going to allow the shrimps to cook. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. Let me show you inside the pot. There you go. Okay, my people, at this point the water wey I put for fire don boil. Now I come begin add small oil to the water. After I don add oil, I come add salt too, because I know you want cook pasta, you have to add salt too, but make sure say the salt not too much, okay, because too much salt is not good for body. Now see the pasta wey I wan use. I wan use 2 of it, because if I wan cook, I dey like to dey cook a lot, because I get children and my children dey like to dey eat. Anytime I cook, I want make leftover the day, because after e don finish, after we eat the first one, if leftover dey, they go eat am the next day. Especially my senior boy. Hey, that boy can eat. That boy eat too eat. You know, na so boy children dey eat. Okay, let's continue. Now I come pour the 2 pasta inside the water. Now I come use my spoon take turn am. I come turn am. Then I come cover am a little bit. I don't cover am too much, so make e no come boil away. Okay, now I come go back to my new pot. So now I come go stir the shrimp. Okay, now I come dey tell am say, oh, the aroma, at that point the aroma, the coconut oil, the scent, e dey wins very. And now I come add my habanero pepper, because I want make pepper dey this food. Okay, me, I like pepper, even though say not too much spice, but I like the make pepper dey a little bit. Now my onions wey I don cut before, my onions and my bell pepper, red bell pepper, I come first put the onions. Okay, I come fry am a little bit. I come dey fry am. I come fry the onions with the shrimp. I come say make una see the pot well. I wan carry una closer so una fit see inside the pot. My people, if you see as everywhere dey scent, okay, if you never use coconut oil take fry your onions, shrimp, and just try it. The aroma is giving. The aroma is giving. Now I come fry am, I come stir am, dey stir am, I come dey turn am. I come dey turn am. See me as I dey turn am. After I don turn am for about 2 minutes, now I come add the red bell pepper. Now I come begin to turn them together. Make both of them for combine. Make them for combine well. Both the bell pepper, onions, and shrimp, make them for combine. Now I come dey add black pepper. I come add black pepper for flavor. For flavor, I mean, flavor. Anyone you talk, I come add Maggi and no seasoning. I can add 2 teaspoons of no seasoning. Okay, now you see me now. No, I like no well. Now I tell you, just to cook my food. Now I can add a little bit of salt. Now I can turn it together. I can dey stir and together. Make everything from combine well. Okay, I can't turn her, then I can't cover and make it cook for 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes I don't come back. See, oh my lord, the aroma was giving. Now I can't start to the turn again. I don't know why I like to turn food a lot. I dey turn food a lot. Now this is the main ingredient of the recipe. There is Alfredo sauce. I can't take 2 of them. I can't open am. First of all, before I open, I give am slap. Make the cover for open. I slap am well. It go dey easy for me to open. I can't shake am. After I don shake am, I can't add water. I can't rinse am well, because we no want waste anything. I make sure I rinse am well. You see as the bottle come fine. Nothing dey inside the bottle anymore. Now I can't turn am together. I can't stir am together. Make sure say everything dey well combined. As you can see, the other pot now, my pasta dey fire. The pasta dey cook for there small. That one just the judge they do yoti over there. The pasta they cook. I still dey stir the Alfredo sauce. Now I can't cover am again. I can't allow to cook for about another 5 minutes again. 5 minutes time, I can't come back again. By that time, my pasta don already come out. I don't go drain the water for the pasta. Sorry, say I not show una the process where I for drain the pasta. I can't check and say, oh, the sauce is ready. Now I can't carry the pasta we had already cooked. The pasta had already done. I can't pour am for inside my Alfredo sauce. Oh my goodness, yeah. This food, the way belle take sweet me cook this food, now so the food tastes sweet. The food sweet die. I can't turn the pasta inside, And for my mind, I can't say, hey, maybe this thing too much, oh. Omo, it's not too much. I say, when I share the food, when I just dey watch, after I don share the food, they come back again, mommy, can I have some? Now I come turn am together. I make sure say the Alfredo sauce, the Alfredo sauce mix well with the pasta. I come dey stir, I come turn am. Abeg, if you never like the video, wetin you dey wait? Make sure you like the video. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. And also, if you are new to my Facebook page, make sure you like and follow my page. Oh, I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate the love for the support and you know they show me for this channel, for this internet. I may God bless every one of you. Now I can add some cilantro, that green tea wey they call cilantro. I can add them for inside. May forgive am a little bit of flavor. I can just turn a little bit. I just can't turn. By this time, the food already ready. Oh, my sister, my brothers and sisters, the food already ready. I just leave and may just stay for about 1 minute. Now I can't bring the fish and the chicken we had already cooked since I not show now the time where I do all those ones. I already do that one. Now I can't begin to serve. First of all, who I want first serve now? Oga. Now I first give the first plate. I reload the plate. I make sure say the plate many well. I make sure you food many well. I just say me. I say thank you, Oga. You do well for buying me this pot. I really appreciate the pot. It's them where they use the pot they cook my belly, they sweet me. I really like the pot. The pot is so nice. I just serve Oga food. That is for Oga. Now that one, the next one are for my boy, my big boy. Now they serve this one too. I can't serve an whole too. I can't give an whole food. Then me and my baby girl, well, all of now know as Abigail. Now I can't call and say, you know what? No, we can't test the food.
I'm so hungry.
So we can't test the food. I'm gonna watch am, okay? Thank you so much, everyone. I have my head of fish.
The first bite for you guys.
This is good. Creamy.
So good. You should try this out.
Bye guys. Let me go and change my phone. Let me go and sit down and change my phone.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Please like and follow our page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel also. Bye.
Bye.